This tutorial review will show you how to make text behind person effect on CapCut app. Open your CapCut app, tap on New Project, and now select the video, tap on Add, select Text tool, add text, and now write here your text. You can change the text style from here. Now you can change the text size, change the position of the text, and now tap on export at the top right, and you have to save the video first. Once the video saved, again tap on New Project, and now select the exported video, tap on Add, tap on Overlay, Add Overlay, and now select the video without text, tap on Add. Once you added the overlay video, make sure to select the overlay layer and pinch your finger to make the second clip equal to first clip. Once done, select Cutout and select Remove Background. And as you can see, the text is behind the person now. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.